In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify order can't be shipped to your location. This error usually appears when a customer tries to check out from a country or region that isn't properly included in your shipping setup. To fix it, we're going to create a custom shipping profile, add the right products, define the countries or regions you ship to, and then set up shipping rates. First, log in and go to your Shopify dashboard. From your admin homepage, look down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes configuration happens for your store. Inside Settings, find and click on Shipping and Delivery. This is the section that controls where you ship, which products are included, and how much customers pay for shipping. Next, we'll create a new profile specifically for the products and regions giving you that error. Click on Create Custom Profile. This lets you treat a group of products differently from your general shipping settings. Give your new profile an internal name in the profile name field. Customers won't see this, so choose something that clearly reminds you what it's for, like the region or product type. Now, click on Add Products. A list of your products will appear. Select the products that you want to make available to ship to these locations. This is important. Only the products you add here will follow the rules you're about to create. Once you've selected them, click Done. With your products added, scroll to the Shipping Zones area and click on Add Shipping Zone. Give this zone an internal name as well, again just for your reference. Then choose the countries or regions you want to include in this zone by clicking on them in the list. When you're finished selecting, click Done. You'll see an option to go to Markets. Click that to quickly double check that the countries you just added are actually active in your markets. If they're not active, customers there still won't be able to check out, even if shipping is set up. Now go back to the shipping profile and click on Add Rate. In the rate type dropdown, choose whether you want a flat rate or another type. Then, in the shipping rate field, decide what kind of rate you want to use. Enter a custom rate name so customers see something clear at checkout, like standard shipping, and then type the price in the price field. If you need more advanced pricing, click on Add Conditional Pricing. Here you can base your rate on item weight or on order price. Choose whichever makes sense for your business. When you're happy with your setup, click Done. Once these countries are active in markets and have a shipping profile with rates that can't be shipped to your location, error should disappear for customers in those regions.